Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from CBRE, the world's largest commercial real estate services and investment firm. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here to discuss CBRE's impressive third-quarter results.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. CBRE reported a revenue of $10.3 billion for the third quarter of 2025, marking a 14% increase from the previous year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
It's quite remarkable. The revenue growth is driven by both their resilient and transactional businesses, which saw increases of 14% and 13% respectively. This indicates strong performance across their diverse service offerings.
And what about profitability?
CBRE's GAAP EPS rose by 66% to a 21, while their core EPS increased by 34.6 to 1. This reflects not only revenue growth, but also effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. CBRE's operational efficiency seems to be a key driver of their success. Can you elaborate on their EBITDA and cash flow performance?
Absolutely. CBRE reported a core EBITDA of $821 million, up 19% from last year. Their free cash flow also saw a significant increase to $779 million, highlighting their strong cash generation capabilities. Additionally, their liquidity improved by nearly $500 million, reaching $5.2 billion.
And looking ahead, how does their future outlook appear?
CBRE has raised their 2025 core EPS outlook to a range of 6.25 to 6.35 cents, which is a positive sign of confidence in their continued growth and operational leverage.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into the performance of CBRE's business segments. How did they fare this quarter?
The advisory services segment saw a revenue increase of 17% to $2.2 billion, driven by strong leasing and capital markets activities. Building operations and experience also performed well, with a 13% revenue increase to $5.8 billion, supported by facilities and property management growth.
What about their project management and real estate investment segments?
Project management revenue grew by 20% to $2 billion, with robust activity in the UK and North America. However, real estate investments saw a decline in revenue to $211 million, primarily due to lower investment management fees compared to last year.
CEO insights and strategic vision. CBRE's CEO Bob Sulentic provided some insights into their strategic vision. What were the key points he highlighted?
Bob Sulentic emphasized the importance of CBRE's scale, which allows them to recruit talent, develop integrated solutions, and make strategic investments. He also noted that their scale is particularly beneficial in driving growth in areas that are either secularly favored or cyclically resilient.
How does this strategic vision align with their current performance?
It aligns well. The strong growth across all segments and the ability to exceed expectations this quarter demonstrate the effectiveness of their strategic initiatives and operational execution.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.47 for CBRE. How did the actual results compare?
CBRE delivered a core EPS of 161 cents, beating the forecast by 14s. This outperformance is a testament to their strong operational execution and strategic positioning.
What does this mean for investor sentiment?
The positive EPS surprise is likely to bolster investor confidence and could lead to upward revisions in future earnings estimates by analysts.
Key takeaways. In summary, CBRE has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2025, with impressive revenue growth, profitability, and cash flow generation. Their strategic initiatives and operational efficiencies have clearly paid off.
Indeed, CBRE's ability to exceed expectations and raise their EPS outlook reflects their robust business model and strategic foresight. They are well positioned for continued growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CBRE's performance in the comments below.